Hello guys. I hope I find you well. So this is the analysis that I did recently on GBP against US dollar. Okay, so I think on Monday I had said that this whole thing here, one, two, three, was supposed to be what? To be head and shoulder what? Pattern. Okay, but just because of this bullish move that happened on Monday, we could not have a what? A head and shoulder pattern because it broke through the what? The other side of this what? Of this first shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so the head and shoulder was now nullified. Okay, so what then happened here is that um, the market pushed up to this point, this highest point, okay, of the price, okay, and then it bounced off this price, okay. So you can be asking yourself, what's going to happen now, okay? Because as we can see that this is a bull run, okay, this is a bullish run, okay. We have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, okay. That's what we have in this market structure. So what you're supposed to look at, you're supposed to look at the price is what do we call it? um you're supposed to look at it as the two sides of the story, okay? Because we're not sure of what the price is supposed to do, okay? What we can only do is we can only find the possible outcomes of the what of the trade, okay? So that's why we have these two outcomes of the trade, okay? It can actually happen either one of these two outcomes, okay? So then look at what's happening on the left side of your charts, okay? Here we have the what? We have a point here which is a resistance, okay? This is a resistance, and lines that go um below here are called what? Lines of support, okay? So this is a line of what? Of resistance. This is a major resistance because at this line, look at the move that happened here. It's a massive move that happened here after what? After this resistance. So what you're supposed to look at now is you're supposed to look at your chart, okay? Here we have a what? We have a massive rejection here of this green candle, okay? We have a massive rejection, and we have that red candle as well forming, okay? Meaning that this could be a what? A bearish momentum about to happen, okay? So what happens if the bearish momentum is accurate, okay? What we first need to ask ourselves is, where is the trade going? Where is the market going, okay? So if it's the bearish trend, we're saying that it goes beyond this point, okay? It goes beyond this point. Why is that? Because we're having a double top here, okay? So if it's a double top, if it's a valid double top, okay, we're going to have price pushing down here, okay, and then retesting the neckline, because that's how we know that it's a valid what? It's a valid double bottom, okay, double top, okay. It has to break through the neckline with the massive momentum, and it has to come back and retest here and then move downwards, okay. So at the point here, you can be looking for a trade here as well. But right now, as it stands here, we can be looking for a sell, because as we have right now, we already have a confirmation to sell, because we have this pin, but this, it's called a gravestone, okay. It's an inverted hammer, it's an inverted pin, okay. So, and then followed by what? By this massive what? Drop of price, okay. So you can be expecting what? A buy momentum, because it happens that we have this resistance and we have this confirmation as well. So you can be safe to what? To take a trade there, okay. So you then shift to the what? To the lower time frames and look for what? And look for a perfect entry, okay. But if it so happens that this whole bullish momentum continues, okay, what then happened is that this whole thing, price is going to break this horizontal line, okay, this resistance, okay. It's going to break the resistance, and it's going to come back to this what? To this top resistance, okay, and it's going to bounce off this top resistance, and it's going to retest this what? This resistance, which now becomes a what? A support, okay. Because once a resistance is broken, it now becomes a what? A support, okay. So it then becomes a support here and continues going up here. So we have another resistance here, okay, of these what? Of these moves that happened, okay. So price actually breaks through this resistance and then comes back to retest to confirm that it's actually what? The resistance has been broken. It's now what? A line of support, and then it continues upwards, okay. So this is the things that you can be expecting on what? On British pound against the US dollar, okay. This is my analysis for this whole thing, okay. So you have to make sure that if you have seen that here we have a confirmation of a downtrend, you have to now downsize to the 15 minutes time frame, okay. Let me just see if we can quickly do that. 15 minutes time frame, and then see what we have in the 15 minutes time frame, okay. Okay, All right, let's do this. All right, all right. As you can see, in the 15 minutes time frame, we actually have this pattern. Okay, so as you can see that it can be a little bit different from what we have in the hourly, in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, it can be a little bit different from what we have in the 4 hour time frame. But the example of the double top I was talking about is here. Okay, we have the first top and then the second top, and then we have this momentum downwards, but we have a retest of that neckline, and then it continues down, so this can be a good indication that we are heading for for a downtrend. Okay, so you just need to look for a good confirmation. If price break here, okay, and then come back to retest, that can be a safer entry. But price can actually come back here to this order block, okay, retest this order block and then continue down. Okay, so you just have to look for good entry point. Okay, I'm so sorry, my network is a bit acting up, but yeah, that's what we have on this one. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next lesson. Okay, all right.